now that the electrical's done, I got the lift on, and I forgot to film an intro, but I found a guy. He swooped up the old lift, and then I picked up a new one. I said something about it in the last video. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw the lift on. You'll see it here shortly. Get this golf cart finished out. Got chicken over there. It's just hanging out. Got some more chickens out there hanging out. Everyone's just hanging out. It's a great day. Weather, nice as could be. Let me just tell you that.
Coming to Mowing, you're watching the Uncle Mike YouTube channel. Stick around.
So while I've got this cart up in the air, I'm gonna go ahead and slap this lift kit on it. First things we're gonna do, we're gonna get these U-bolts off the leaf spring and the stock axle. Current setup, take that off, take the shock mount loose, swap the axle under the leaf spring, put these plates in. You know how that stuff goes. Easy day. So I'm getting there. Just make sure you take your brake cable loose from the frame up here, drop the axle back in. So we'll put this all back together. Bushings look excellent, so we'll just keep on keeping on. So I got the blocks under this side, just got to do the other side, and we'll be done with the rear. Them wheels and tires on the cart, looking good. Oh, and I know I said I got the other lift for 100 bucks, so I sold it for 250, and then I bought that one from, there's a cart dealership or something like that in town, bought that one for 250, so not really out any money other than my original 100 bucks, so not bad. So, snatch the tires off of this thing real quick, got the battery charger out. I've been having it charging up after all my messing with the battery. Anyways, got the rear done. Finish the front, and then we'll take it out and road test it. Come on. I mean, I got some limbs out back. We'll put that bed to use. Got the axle in, easy as pie. Just gotta go ahead and put the spindles back on. Be done with it. Got the front of this cart all wrapped up. Just gotta put the wheels on it and be done for the day. About had enough. Tire, gotta clean up this junk and move on with it. Oh yeah, so now the cart's dialed in. I just gotta build one more thing for it, just to keep this from falling up. And my idea is either on this bolt or that bolt set, and put a piece of flat bar in there. I got a new one of these too, I just gotta put it in. But put a piece of flat bar in there, put a bracket, and then latch. That way you can just reach right here and pop a latch and be done with it. She'll open on up. When it's done, it's stowed and not opening up, so that'll be it. But yeah, this thing looks good now. Runs good after the carb cleaning. Rides nice after the tires. I gotta get 2 plastic rivets for this because I don't want to use metal ones, but just in case I ever take it out, they're a bear to do. This thing barked right to life. And plus, if I get that, once I get that latch on there, it'll get rid of some of that hopping noise you hear from the bed back here. Just it'll get rid of that. I will say this: I have less than $1,000 into this cart, and I really can't complain with it. Got it running good. Just gotta, like I said, I want to put a little flat bar in here. Keep that thing from, because it'll come, if you push down right here, it doesn't take much. So that way at least it'll stay latched, and then keep it from doing that. And then, sorry I keep saying and then, but go ahead and get the seats upholstered. Might not, might just leave it for now, because who knows, this thing might blow up tomorrow. But for less than $1,000, pretty hard to beat this cart. Let me say that. But if you want to buy it, I'll let it go for now. It's for sale if you want to buy it. $6,500, come get it. $7,000, I'll get the seats redone. You know what I mean? Come on. Well, like I said, I'll put that down. Get this inspection cover, slip it in here. Come on now. There you go. New inspection cover. Nice. Looking good. Pop some screws in it real quick and be done with it. So I just pulled the valve cover off real quick, just to check valve lash on this thing. I adjusted this one already. It's set 4 thou is what you need to set it, but very minimal play. Listen to this one. I mean, you can. It's way over. I'm not gonna check to see what it is, I don't really care, but yeah, I can throw 4,000 under it. You could probably fly a 747 jet under that thing. So we'll go ahead and tighten it up. And then I can check, I can do that one too, and then I'll have to rotate just to adjust that one. So hang tight. So I've already got a load of sticks burning over there. I've cut a little bit of grass. I haven't finished yet. That thing's got some down trim tree limbs back there I've been picking up. Like I said, fresh cut grass over there. I'll work my way through it. So, easy day. I gotta cut grass over there where the dogs are. Some weeds in there. I come out here to get these things right here. Little thistles or whatever the heck they call these things. I don't really know. But boy, they got some nasty thorns on them. And when you mow them over, they just throw seeds. So, popping these out real quick. So there's one there and 2 over there by the coop I gotta get. A bit of dirt. What are you doing, Martha? This other one, Martha showed that one how to get out. I don't know why she did that. Answer. We need answers, Martha. What's wrong? Come back. Martha. What your friends doing? Dogs are over there acting a fool. Get away from my foot, Martha. I don't trust you. You're gonna peck my little toes or something. I just got the hustler out here getting after it. I had to take a quick break. I ain't stopped. I fixed the golf cart this morning, or finished the golf cart. Cut some grass. I cleaned up the scrap pile, moved it over there. I don't know what else I did. I went somewhere this morning. I don't remember what I did though. Moved a bunch of stuff. Hey! Keep it down. Got everything mowed. Chickens waiting on some water. I dumped it out. I'm gonna rinse her out real quick. Fill her back up. Gotta get the one over there too and fill that one up. So I got this transfer tank for dirt cheap. I picked up a pump for 200 bucks. So it was like 250 at Lowe's. So we'll just go ahead and put the filters on. I already have the filters. I bought them when I bought the truck, or sometime between now and when I bought the truck. I bought them because I knew I was gonna get another transfer tank when I could finally find a 45 combo that fit this truck. So I got this thing wrapped up. The only thing I need to do is, well, I'd run to the store to get another union right there just because the filter wouldn't clear the pump. So with that being said, I do want to change. I need to do some research, look on Amazon or something, see if I can find some of these 3/4 inch unions here that are like 2 inches, because these are 4. I just need them that are 2 inches. That way I don't have this massive, this thing's over in front of, midway through my truck window. I don't care that much. It's not that big of a deal. I can still see past it, but I just don't want it over that far in case I want to open that window or something like that. So, but I got a pump in here. Not bad. I also have the gravity feed kit I picked up for like 60 bucks from some guy, and I don't know, it ain't bad. So like I said, all this stuff's just from Lowe's, so it ain't too bad. Other than the toolbox, got this down in Milton, Florida. Drove down there and picked it up first thing bright and early. I think it was like Sunday, but it was a steal, so I couldn't pass it up.